I won't lie and say that it's tastier to cook with gas than wood or coal, but you can use it in more places and it is way easier. This is the Tembo Tusk Skottle. It uses gas and is designed for social cooking. The Tembo Tusk is made in America with a lifetime guarantee. It takes a small gas bottle on the underside that can be adjusted to suit where you need the most heat. At full noise, it can put out as much as 10,000 beats per you, or heaps if that's not a metric you know. A great feature is height adjustable legs, so you can park it between some chairs when camping or set it tall on uneven ground as a cook as you want hot plate. There are options for all sorts of accessories like a small flame shield, grill and bamboo side table. A247.com is taking orders on all of it, and there's a link in the corner, and if you use the code ADVENTURES10 you'll save $10. What I like about it is that you can use it in most national parks and in total fire bans because it's gas powered. The other detail I really like is that because it's out and exposed, you can cook as a group around it. That social aspect, I really enjoy that, and a Skottle does that. First shipment is due any day now, so if you head to a247.com, you can secure your Tembo Tusk and an accessories bundle if you want. Now we've got an affiliate code, ADVENTURES10. If you enter that at checkout, you can save some dollars.